Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today you join me with the 2021 Volkswagen Transporter in a lovely silver. This is the long wheelbase crew cab model. This one comes with a tailgate rather than barn doors, 6 cloth lined seats. This is a manual 6-speed gearbox with cruise control, hands-free cooling, voice assist, cruise control, satellite navigation and air conditioning. Parking sensors as well. Show into the back 3 seats. And if I just come around here to open up the tailgate as well, you may be able to observe on the inside that it is ply line, interior lit, cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry. And we do also have a transparent gap into the main cab as well. So if you'd like to find out more about this VW Transporter, then please do feel free to head over to our website anchorvans.co.uk.